Hello everyone. Hopefully all of are well. Now I'm in my office, and I think something different. Actually, I wish I could. I wish I could be a farmer. I could work in the field. I could enjoy the natural environment every time. I could always feel a gentle breeze in my body. I wish I could be a fisherman. I could catch fish and always ride a boat on the river. I could be a peddler. I could visit every village in my country. I also could be a school student. I could go to the school with my village friend. Actually, I always miss my school life with my childhood friend. Also, more than anything, I wish be a free. I want to do what I wish.